I'm building my own 3D printer. This is my biggest project ever, and to film it I need a high camera tripod. If you have been following my channels for a long time, you know that I make all my camera tripods myself. This one is 50 centimeters high, but not very stable. That's why I want a tripod that is up to 1.5 meters high, and the tripod must be easy to store. This is a telescopic camera tripod, and my idea is to use two different diameters of PVC pipes, so that they can slide over each other, and to make the tripod stable, I planned to do this, so that the legs cannot slide away. I started by drawing my idea in Solidworks, after which I bought two PVC pipes, each 3 meters long, sawed the PVC pipes to size and drilled all the holes in them. These are all the parts I will use to make the tripod. I start by assembling the part that will make the tripod more stable. For this I use the 3 shortest PVC pipes. And in this part I have melted an M5 threaded insert. After this I continue with assembling the rest of the tripod, so I also use the longer PVC pipes. Now that both parts are ready, I combine them and finish the tripod with the black tops along the bottom. And I slide these extensions into the tripod so that it's finished. The tripod is now 1.5 meters high and very stable, and I can also shorten it again so that it is easy to store. But a possible upgrade would be to replace the PVC pipes with aluminium pipes, which will provide more stiffness to the tripod and therefore make it even more stable. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I see you in the next video.